Can't take much more of this. Send out the call, Ensign. We need Voltron.
Right away, Commander! Voltron Force, go!
We're being ripped apart!
Don't you worry, Commander. That Beast will be singing a different tune once Voltron gets here.
Where the hell is Voltron?
Don't you worry, sir. Voltron won't let us down.
Wait a minute, guys! Something's not right! Let's take it back to step 6.
Is that Voltron?
Yes, son. He's right here. It's all gonna be okay.
Voltron's on the scene!
Voltron? Where were you?
We got here at the speed of justice.
Not even the real Voltron. It's just that stupid vehicle one.
Voltron!